Today we're checking back in with Cardano's ADA Coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see ADA go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into Cardano's ADA Coin chart, guys. If you're looking to buy ADA or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And I've removed all our technical analysis from previously because I really want to re-baseline things. And with Cardano, something a bit different is happening compared to many of the other cryptocurrencies at the moment. At this point in time, we are not seeing new lows. We are hitting the same support point over and over and over again. You can see I'll just establish it right there at 44 cents per ADA. And that is a very, very interesting point. And we're sitting right now just above it at 45 cents. And the reason it's interesting is because in all our previous videos this week, we've been talking about a bit of a reset when it comes to crypto. Crypto is cyclical and it is known to drop up to 90% on a cyclical basis. So what we're seeing right now is a potential cycle in play, and in fact I think it's been relatively confirmed now. So if we're talking about 90% drop, what was our high? Our high was at about $3.16 on the 2nd of September 2021. So what does that mean for us? Well, it means basically 31 cents is our potential low. And that's pretty scary because that means this key point of support we're seeing here will be broken. And we're seeing on many other coins at this point in time, their key points of support are certainly being broken. It's looking like it's about to happen within the next few days. In my opinion, the only business case, I suppose you could say, for this potentially not occurring is, a double bottom or a triple bottom as we are seeing right here, which is a sign of a potential reversal. But given the overall climate of the rest of the crypto space, I simply just cannot foresee it happening. So what I'm going to do is basically go and grab a line, bring it down all the way to that 31 cent mark. I'll just chuck it right about there. That's probably pretty accurate. That line right there, realistically, we hope should be the lowest amount we're going before we see a reversal. Now, many other coins have already hit that 90% loss from their all-time highs. Cardano hasn't, and maybe Cardano won't. Of course, we do sometimes see 50% drops, 60, 70, but in most circumstances, we see basically a complete wipe of value. It's looking like, obviously, for those people who invested at the top, it feels like a complete wipe of value, but what it has in store for us is potential brand new highs as well. But that is well into the future. We want to understand what's happening at this point in time. So what's going on with this chart? Well, we can see support is holding up at the moment. Could be a potential bounce, but given that we are seeing, large volumes and people panicking, it's looking like potentially a break down to that 31 cent mark. And if we can maintain this, fantastic, but do not be surprised if you see this chart in a week's time and we are below that point. It is very, very easy. We're sitting right on top of it right now, and it could go either way at this point in time. Let's have a look at a few other indicators and see if they can help us detect what way we're going to move. RSI, for us, we got up pretty high compared to many other cryptos. We're sitting at 56.35 as of the 8th of June and have now dropped down to a value over here on the 15th of June of 36.64. So we still have room to continue dropping and certainly continue dropping to that point, whereas many other cryptos are resting just near that oversold range. So that is indicating to me that, hey, it's looking like we are moving downwards still, especially given this real short-term weak trend that we're seeing here. It has just gone down. We saw the flag pattern form. It had a nice breakout, but unfortunately then we just went straight back down as anticipated. So what else are we seeing now? Well, we're seeing the MACD do something quite interesting, and that is the cross. This is a death cross. Our 12-day EMA is crossing below our 26-day EMA, and you can see we're 3 days into the red already, and typically we'll see a lot longer periods when this does occur. For me, this is the biggest indicator as of a confirmation of a reversal of trend. And given that they are moving and just have crossed immediately, that trend is going to continue for a period of time. So on that factor alone, I'm estimating that this 44-cent mark of support will fall within the next 24 to 48 hours, and we will likely see that 31-cent mark within the next week or so. That wraps up today's analysis of Cardano's ADA Coin, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.